What's up, guys? Welcome back to Unbox Junkie. My name is Matt, and today we are looking at a very interesting Bluetooth speaker. This is the treVolo S by BenQ. Where's the name? There we go. By BenQ. What makes this thing interesting is that it's an electrostatic speaker. I'm not one to really explain what electrostatic speakers are. I found this really cool video by a smaller YouTuber called Inside Tech. He used an animation that made it really simple to understand. I'll leave that down below so you guys can check that out if you're interested. But for now, let's just test this thing out. Now, I will say one thing. This thing has some serious weight to it. Now, they're saying the electrostatic technology allows you to hear all the details in your music. So that's definitely a good thing. All right, first off, we've got looks like a charge cable, a weird charge cable. Not sure what's going on there. There we go, little adapter. Very nice velvety bag, so you can keep it in, travel with. We have an instruction manual, and we've got the speaker. Wow, that is heavy. That's almost 2.5 pounds. Get out of here. Goodbye, don't need you. Now, it has dual subwoofers and dual amplifiers. That's supposed to give you a rich, expressive bass performance. Wow, that is incredibly small, considering how heavy this thing is. I'm guessing those are the two little subwoofers on the front because these are the speakers. Now you can play it like this, I believe, but what you do is you take these and you fold it out. Bam. Now these are the electrostatic speakers. That's crazy looking. Okay, cool. And then you've got some, looks like air vents here. Is it? I guess those are passive radiators. Now, you can get two of these and pair them together. So they're saying you could do like a stereo mode or what they call party mode. Not only that, but it has they're calling a non-distorted 3D sound. So we'll try that out. It does have Bluetooth 4.2, but it is also NFC ready. The battery life on here is about 18 hours of playtime, depending on how loud you're listening to it, give or take a little bit. All right, so on the top, you've got your control panel. So you have your pause and play, mode, minus, and plus, which is probably going to be previous, next track, and volume up and down, your Bluetooth button, and your power button. On the back, you've got a 3.5mm port, and you have your micro USB port for charging. There's a little more technical details. You guys can pause it right there if you want to take a look at that. Here it's, oh, okay, so there's a BenQ audio app. I'll go ahead and try that. Okay, so in the app, you've got duo mode, which I can't use duo mode because they only set me one. Let's see, we've got battery, you get your 3D sound option. Is that it? Tap here to fill entire screen. Oh, okay. So don't do that. It said tap here to fill entire screen and then it crashed. Okay, so the whole app, it just switches over to 3D sound, but I believe we could do that anyway. All right, well, we got it paired. Let's just give it a shot. To be honest, I was really expecting some like serious sound coming out of this. I'm not really getting that. It sounds clear, I give it that. It definitely has a very clear sound to it.
It is day 4 of our March Milkness tournament to crown the best champion cereal of all time. Cuckoo for their cook.
It sounds good, it sounds clear. I do want to do something though. Okay, so just for fun, I want to test something out. Now, I'm not saying that this is not a good speaker. It's definitely clear, I'm giving it that, but this is $200. 200 bucks. This here is, I think, 50 bucks, and I love it. This is the TriBit X Sound. I talked about it in my last video, but we reviewed this, I don't know, a couple weeks ago. I want to see how it compares. Let's do that. Okay, you know, I gotta say, as much as I can tell that this is for sure clearer than this, all the instruments, everything is coming out really nicely in the BenQ, no doubt. But there's no power. I mean, you could clearly hear the difference. $50, $200. I don't know if $150 more is worth like a little bit more clarity to me. Personally, I would go with the $50 version, plus it's way more portable than this. I would say this really wouldn't be something I would want to travel with. This one for sure. I mean, it's I don't know, just the design of it and everything looks like something you probably wouldn't want to travel with. I would be afraid to break it. This wasn't supposed to be a comparison video, but you know, from the moment I turned it on and heard it and thinking of the price tag, I don't know. Again, clarity-wise, it sounds fantastic. It does sound really good. It just doesn't have the power that I would expect out of a $200 Bluetooth speaker. All right, guys, well, that is it. I'm gonna leave a link down below where you can find this if you got the little extra dough in your pockets. But if you're more of a budget-friendly kind of guy, money's a little more tight, definitely go check this out. 50 bucks, great sound, highly suggested. I personally use it, it's great. But I'll leave it in your hands, but as for now, get out of here.